Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to protect FB profile photo from downloaded. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Facebook apps. Tap on your Facebook apps. After that, tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on your profile. After that, tap on your profile. You can you can see here more option. You can see that turn on profile picture guard. Tap on this. After that, next option, you can see here help security your profile picture. Profile picture guard will help keep your current photo more secure on Facebook in 3 ways. Tap on this. Tap on next icon. After that, tap on save. You can see here my profile picture is guard. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.